Alright, I'm at my mom's house and I wanted to show you the smoke alarms, how to test them. You have to hold, first of all, these are this X-Sense interconnected smoke alarms that I placed. You just hold the test button and it'll beep in here and then it'll set the other ones off. And beep, just short beeps like this. Soon you'll hear the other ones. The other ones went off shortly, but I can't go around the house and show you them going off, but you kind of see how that works.
This down up to 9 feet of surge possible there. So this would be an area where there's a lot of concern for areas right along the water to be submerged.
And here are the other ones again.
Is where we find meteorologist Paul Goodlow. He is across the bridge in St. George.
There's Mia. I got Lexi here.
That's going to change.
So you kind of see how those work. I've never done the test button on that much, but I've never got a video of it. And then there's this one here. And there's one in that room over there too. I'll show you that. Just give me 1 second. There's the other ones again. So yep, there's that one. See here. So it just basically makes them all go off. They just do short beeps, so it's hard to show you the whole house. And then there's also, I showed you the one here. And then there's one in this bedroom. Right there. Come here, Lexi. And there's one in here, too. There's 6 of them in total. Come here, Lexi. So there's 6. There's one there, one in there, one in here, one down there, and then 2 in the basement. So there's like a little map that shows in here. The red dots are, they look orange, but they're red. One there is the main floor. You are here. I just drew that for fun. This is the basement floor. There's one there and one there. And the upstairs, one here, here, and here in each bedroom. Anyway, I thought I'd show that video of the smoke alarms, doing the tests and all that. So, anyways, that's all. I hope you all enjoyed.